In this presentation, we're going to look at how to declare the VAT, called GST in Australia, and the business activity statement in Australia for Microsoft Dynamics NAV. So we'll go to the financial management, periodic activities, GST statement. And first we're going to check our entries, that everything looks okay. So we put the starting and ending date for the period. The posting date, it doesn't really matter here, and we select the settlement account, which so far doesn't really matter. It's important, we click on show GST but not on post. We preview or print, and we have all the entries for the period. So that's the first way to check. The second way would go on the GST statement, put the period, open, entries before and after, and we have a summary. And if we want to drill down on the entries, if we're not sure about what entry and we want to investigate, we go to the GST statement preview, put our date filter, still put the open entries before and within, and here we can drill down on the entries and even navigate to the source document. So that's the first thing to do, to check all our entries are okay, which should be. And then we do the calculate and post GST, and this time we're going to click on post. We print it or we save it. Here I'm saving it as PDF, and I'm going to keep it for future reference. So the system has created automatically some entries to calculate the amount we need to pay to the ATO. A second way to do in Australia is, if you receive a file from the ATO, you can go to business activity statement, BAS calculation sheet, and import as Airfile. So Airfile has information about your company. You do an update with the period, and this update is going to populate all the fields required for the BAS with the convention, the naming from the ATO, and so you just have to fill it's filled automatically. And you can drill down on the entries as well. And once you've done that, you have the possibility to send back the file to the ATO. If you do an export, you create the file and you load the file to the ATO. So that's the paperless business activity statement GST declaration in Australia.